Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with the beautiful and the amazing artistic video of bedrooms, which are new bedrooms. Welcome back to my channel, viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with prosperity, health, and wealth. Viewers, today in this video you can gonna watch a very interesting idea of dupe bedrooms, which are very interesting in front of you on your mobile screens. Amazing style, colorful, with the beautiful plants and all. Amazing looks, amazing beds, amazing things. The colorful one, orange one, the grays one. The ideas of bed is very unique. The singular, the king size, the double bed, and each and everything in the room is decorated with the themed room. Viewers, you are here. I am going to remind you that if you are not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking the bell icon also, so that I can put the trendy, fashionable, moderate, new style of bedrooms and interiors on my channel. You get notification on your mobile screen and get benefit from them. Viewers, these wonderful idea of bedrooms are in for you, and support us on daily basis by sharing the bell by sharing my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself, and write in the comment section if you like my video, and if you have an idea of anything else you want to watch on my channel, so watch it, and write in comment section also. Give us thumbs up button for the video and visit my channel for new interiors. Stay tuned with us for more updated ideas, upgraded fashionable ideas of interiors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like my channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.